Hey guys, today I'm going to be showing you my 1991 Nissan 300ZX twin turbo swap. So this is my 1991 NA bodied TT swapped Z32, and it has full leather interior, leather dash, doors, 5-speed manual transmission. There's the boost gauge. T-tops, of course. Stock wheels. Stock NA back. It's gonna have a full exhaust. These mufflers are straight through, so gonna be pretty nice to hear once I get it running. Yeah, so as you could see guys, this car is gonna be a lot of work. Transmission is in there, wiring is here, but we don't have the engine yet. The engine is in the machine shop, and the machine shop guys over there are gonna be working to get my engine ready for me to assemble it. I am gonna put in the pistons, rods, attach the heads, put the whole thing together, and I'm gonna put it in here. Right now though, I'm waiting for the machine shop to pressure test the two heads, because I'm gonna stick with the twin turbo V6 that these Nissans came with. After they pressure test the heads, they are also gonna clean my engine block. After they're done that, I'm gonna get the engine back and hopefully afford some forged internals. I'm really excited to get this thing running. I just went to a car show the other day, I just went to a car show yesterday, and I saw a beautiful gray Nissan 300ZX. It was a twin turbo, so it was just a 2+0. So in that one there was 2 front seats, obviously, and then but no back seats. In mine I have these 2 little mini back seats, and this car is a little bit longer, a little stretched out compared to that one, but that one was actually a right-hand drive model from Japan, and it was a slick top, so it didn't have T-tops, which was really amazing because not many cars of that spec were made. Allegedly, back in the day when they were making them, you would have to go to the dealership and special order the slick top version without any T-tops. And that is a very special car. One thing I have on that one though is I have leather seats. These seats are amazing. They are so comfortable to sit in. It is wild. As you can see, these wheels though are beautiful. There is barely a scratch on them. There's only that little chip there. Other than that, all these wheels look pretty much the same. And they're just beautiful. I washed them off because the guy before me actually had it in his garage for 8 years, and it was just collecting dust. I mean, the dust on this thing was so thick. It was wild to get it finally all cleaned off. Now, it does need some paint work, but I'll get to that after I get this thing actually running. As you can see, I also have a ton of parts. So here is the actual intake for this thing. You know, over there, more parts. Under the hood, more parts. Here's one of the turbos. I have it wrapped up, so hopefully it won't catch rust. Quite the disease to catch these days. And over here I have the original Nissan logo, and that one, the front little cover, have all these parts. Mishimoto radiator and the twin turbo intake plenum. It's beautiful, beautiful. Also have a box of old NA parts when this car used to be a naturally aspirated beast. Well, guys, I hope you enjoyed me detailing the current state of the build on this Nissan 300ZX twin turbo swapped car from 1991. I do believe the engine that I have is a 1993 JDM spec engine, so there's that. But other than that, I'm just gonna be waiting for this engine to come in so I can get it running. And then after I get the engine running, I'm gonna do more cosmetic stuff, like the paint. Like you can see, there's just scratches here and other things that need to be done. Apparently the T-tops do seal, so that's another plus. I also need to get a little latch for this glove box because that won't close. And guys, just leave suggestions for me down in the comments. I'd love to hear what you guys think about me putting on the spoiler. I don't know if you could see it over there, but there it is, that spoiler. That will probably go on there. If I don't want to use that one, I will probably get a different one. But I mean, you can't go wrong with this beautiful, huge light in the back. It's gonna look so sick once it's running. I just can't wait. Guys, I hope you have a good day as well, and be sure to subscribe to see more content. Thanks, guys. Peace out.